Recording? Great. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we traveled to the beautiful city of Kilkenny. So, unfortunately, we went through something really sad. We tried to export our photos from our GoPro and our camera, and our footage just disappeared.
Gone.
So our GoPro only managed to record 3 videos somehow, and then we just got a few videos on our camera, so we're absolutely gutted. So sad. I don't know if this is a usual issue. If anyone knows, any of our subscribers or anyone who's watching, if this has ever happened to you, let us know in the comments below, and just any advice. Why does this happen, or is there something that we're doing wrong? Because it's heartbreaking, it really is. So
this is why we are doing this right now, because obviously we have to do a whole talk over and show you bits and pieces of our video.
Because we feel like it's worth showing you guys, because it was absolutely stunning. So basically this is our journey.
We went to Huston station and we waited there. It was I felt like it was a bit unorganized because there was just people standing everywhere, and there's no like certain sections you go standing. But it was nice. There was a lady playing the piano, and once you see your number up on the board, you can get on the train. So this was a 2-hour train ride all the way to Kilkenny.
We made it.
We made it.
The weather's so nice here, wow.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Really nice.
It's like you have a jersey on, but it's nice and warm.
Well, I can take mine off actually. Yeah, maybe it'll be a bit cold.
Yeah.
It's really nice. So we struggled finding a taxi by the train station, so we walked down to the little town. We're just gonna look for a taxi that side. Apparently it would cost about 10 euros to get to the hotel. So the hotel we're staying in is called Lyrath, which is actually a 5-star. Ooh. So excited. But the town here is actually so beautiful here in Kilkenny.
Very cute.
Oh wow, it is beautiful. Found a taxi, whole line of them.
Finally. In the taxi.
So we got into the taxi. It was about 10 euros, which is quite expensive because what, it was like a 10-minute drive?
Yeah, it wasn't long at all.
It wasn't far at all, so that was quite expensive, but it's okay. Beautiful drive. Oh, it was just, that town is just gorgeous. Anyway, so we arrived in the beautiful estate of Lyrath, and already when you're driving in from the driveway, this beautiful manor. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely breathtaking, and it's just surrounded by like forestry and beautiful landscapes. Oh my goodness, it was just out of this world. When we arrived, we immediately went to check in, and then we just took a little walk around the front area just to have a look, and it was incredible. We do come back to view it a little bit later on in the video, but it's just absolutely breathtaking.
So sadly, like we said earlier, we lost a lot of our footage. So we did go inside this manor. We were filming like all the tea rooms,
like the main area with the skylight.
We lost all of that.
We lost all of it. So we did get just a few images from inside, which it was just absolutely stunning. And in the background, they had very like classical music playing. So you just felt like you were taken back in time and you were walking in
so peaceful
to one of these luxurious estates. It was just stunning. So we're now going to show you, we're we're gonna give you a room tour. So we're heading off to the room. We did get footage where we actually speak. So here it is. So we got our cards. We're on room 226. Let's go. Let's go in and have a look. Coffee machine. Okay, and then over here we have another long passage, which is obviously your wardrobes, safe. Come sit down and Jason can do his makeup. Lots of mirrors, very nice. And we have the bathroom. Oh, look at this. A his and her sink. Oh, nice marble. We've got a nice walk-in shower here. Oh, yay. We have a bath. Look. Really nice. Okay, now let's go check out the room. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is huge. Look how beautiful the bed is. Oh, it's like velvet blanket. I don't even want to jump on the bed because it looks too like perfectly done. But obviously we have to do a bed test.
How was it?
Really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, so nice. And we've got a sitting area over here, and then a really pretty view of just, I guess, nature. Really nice.
So after all that excitement getting here, we are hungry. So we're gonna go eat now.
Yeah, so let's go.
Let's go.
As we mentioned earlier, we got super hungry, so we headed down to the Tapas bar, which actually is the cheaper of the other restaurants. So obviously this hotel has tons of different restaurants within it, but this was recommended for us to go if we wanted something a little bit cheaper.
The price is more reasonable.
Yeah, more reasonable, and it was very cute, and the outside part was like kind of this indoor-outdoor. It had all the glass, so it made you feel like you were outside, but you were inside, which is nicer because it was warmer.
I mean, yeah, the sun was shining on you, so it was quite...
So I ordered the pulled beef burger, which was absolutely incredible. It was delicious. And
I had a bacon beef burger.
Oh, yeah, well, I mean, mine was better. I don't even know how I'm gonna eat this. I guess I can eat that part.
Jay's still taking a side of the burger.
So good. After we ate, we decided, okay, let's give a little bit of a, a manor tour, and this is probably where we lost the most footage. So this is all we got. We give a small little tour. Here it is. Okay, so the area we're in now is actually the original 17th century Lyrath house, I suppose, or estate, as they said. Over there you have a beautiful staircase. There are actually rooms you can stay in at the top. Sadly didn't get those rooms. But over here we've got the morning room. I love the big windows. Oh, check how big these windows are. Just imagine that. Oh, stunning. Okay, we're gonna go to the next room, which is, I don't know what it is, it doesn't say.
This they call the lounge room.
It's called the lounge room?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. We actually saw earlier that they were hosting like a tea party in here, or birthday party. That's beautiful, right? You see how big these doors are? Could you imagine having doors like this in your house? Okay, so this is the tea room. I think they're having it all set up for tea now, obviously, maybe for dinner. Oh, check the bookshelves. How beautiful is that? Got some modern wallpaper going on here. Really nice. It goes on. Get lost. Ooh. is actually where they probably have breakfast. So we've got breakfast here tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if there can't be because there's not enough tables to fit everyone.
Ah, it doesn't work.
I think it's just for show, Jay. As it says, just married. That red door there, I feel like is such like an iconic look. It's so cool, it stands out. Like, they really did it really nicely in the front there. Really beautiful. Now we're back at the restaurant that we were eating at earlier. What was it called again? Tuppers. They have like so many different restaurants in here, it's ridiculous. And we're going down to the gardens to have a walk. Jason, can you check what's the time?
The time?
Yeah.
Time is 8 p.m.
Can you believe this is 8 p.m. at night? Look how scary that looks, seriously. Sounds beautiful though, but no. Cutting that out.
After going through that scary little part, it actually brings out a nice open area. It's quite nice.
Very nice. Have a picnic.
I thought it was a lake down over there. It's actually that road.
Okay, so we've just come back from outside. It was pretty cold outside, so now we've come inside to have Irish coffee. Cheers. I'm gonna cheers for that. I don't even think you're supposed to cheers coffee, but anyway.
No, it's a bit weird, but we'll make it happen.
Oh, that's so good.
Okay, it's 9:30 the next morning and we are off to breakfast. I am starving.
Woo!
Yeah.
Excited, yeah. I love it big. It is a buffet. I think it is a buffet. And I love 5-star hotel buffets. Ugh, can't wait. Let's go, let's go, let's go! So we just discovered on signs now that this place has archery and falconry. So we're just walking down the path. It's probably not open at this time in the morning, but we're just gonna go have a look. Oh, by the way, breakfast. Amazing!
That was so good. I really wanted to have pancakes. I was so full.
I know, I'm
I
not.
couldn't get that. It just seems to be our luck that everything is always just closed when we want to go to it.
We're too early.
We're early risers, I guess.
Well, it's not that early though.
It's
like
10 a.m. in the morning.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Clearly that's too early for the Irish.
Yeah. So.
Now we're taking a nice little stroll through the woods. Really pretty.
Ooh, before you forget, there's actually an indoor pool as well.
Ooh,
which is very cool.
Check that out.
We walked there last night, but it closes at 6 and we got there at 8, so we'll definitely. Once again, it was closed when we tried.
Worst of luck, honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, it's muggy here. Jason found a mini little zip line to play on. Go, Jason. scared it breaks.
So wet.
Are you gonna sit and go, or are you gonna stand?
I'm gonna sit.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss the ground. It's turn. How much fun is that?
So this is the Lyrath Estate. You can actually see how big it goes around. Actually see there is a trail you can go on and have a long walk around. This is where we were just now. This is obviously the whole building. Wow, they got a waterfall.
There you go, that's the pool and the jacuzzi, a small little part in the front. And I'm so sad we did not bring our costumes.
Yeah, because I wouldn't even have thought to bring a costume to the UK or Ireland, to be honest.
So after a lovely stay here at the Lyrath Hotel Estate, we have now checked out and we are on our way back to the town. We're gonna go explore a bit, see what we can see. So we're finally back into town and we're gonna explore our first site here by Kilkenny Castle.
Yeah, really beautiful. I thought we walked past it yesterday, but that was not a castle, obviously, just a church. Now this is the castle.
Yes, let's have a look.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's €8 per person, well, for an adult to come and visit the castle. Yeah, there's quite a few people, well, groups here. We're never with groups because we're stingy and we never pay for that. Here's the medieval room. Let's go look.
The Butler dynasty began with one Theobald, who earned the title of Butler to the Lord of Ireland.
At the castle. Sad that they carry my bag everywhere. Nice, thank you. Going in?
Thank you. Okay, so we're done with the castle. Unfortunately, they said we cannot video inside, I think because they want people to experience it by themselves and not just, go on YouTube and see the whole thing. So we did get a little bit of pictures. They did say we can take some pictures. So here are some of the pictures from inside, but if you want to see it, you'll have to do it for yourself. But it was really nice. Obviously, we've been doing a lot of castles recently, so it kind of becomes, same.
Yeah, but this one actually, compared to the other ones, there's actually separate rooms. But you don't have to walk through. You can walk through two different rooms from the one room, but they actually got a corridor that you can actually walk through instead of going to the rooms. Like the other castles that we're in,
you have to walk through
a room to another room to another room. Yeah.
So the layout in this one was more modern. It was really made more sense compared to all the other castles we've been in.
Yeah.
It was really nice. They even had a toilet. Can you believe it? The first toilet.
The size of that toilet.
Yeah, it was
wow.
huge. I'm like, how big were these people? So that dog that was behind me over there was walking itself.
So cute.
Aww. So that's it, you guys. We're at the bus stop at the moment. We're off back to Dublin to catch Dublin Airport because we're going to catch a flight back to the UK. But we've had such a good time here. I absolutely love Kilkenny. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.